child abduction alert has been issued in Chippewa County for the following child: Chrissy A. King, age 15, female white, who is 5 foot 3 inches and 150 pounds, blonde or strawberry hair and hazel eyes. She has a small scar on her nose by her eye and 1/2-inch long scar on her left shoulder. Child was last seen at her residence and is missing from Holcombe, Wisconsin, with unknown clothing description. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Trevor D. Blackburn, aged 22, male, white, with brown hair. He has a tattoo of a name on his chest and a heart tattoo on his inner forearm. The method of travel is unknown at this time. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Chrissy A. King, please contact Chippewa County Sheriff's Office at 715-726-7700.